for a waltz around the stove. He'd earn his wage a cook by trade, frying fish and baking loaves. No finer soul to fill your bowl, he was known for miles around, and soon he'd be Battle Harbour bound. For the fisherman must eat, you see, he was gravely needed there. So he packed the things he thought he'd need to survive for half a year. 'Twas up the Kyle's gangway then, and he waved his hand goodbye, as her smokestack coughed up coal a mile high. He was Battle Harbour bound, me boys, where the seas are ripe with gold. So flatten the galley benches, boys, he'll warm your beaten souls. In a few short months the fishing's done, now there's winter ice offshore.